Hi, and welcome to the Best Buy blog. My name is Ray, and in this video I'll be reviewing the Mermade Pro Waver. In the box of the Mermade Pro Waver, you'll find the brand's original pink 32mm hair waver, an instruction manual, and a woven pink heat protectant glove. I'm going to be honest, I'm using the heat protectant glove for this video because it's important to show, how everything in the kit is used, but in day-to-day use, I really don't reach for it. It's super helpful as you're getting used to the technique of using a hair waver, but after that, kind of select for yourself whether or not you'd like to use it. It's an awesome safety measure, but it can be a little cumbersome. The Mermade Pro Waver is designed with 3 1¼ inch barrels and a unified clamp that gently scallops over all of them. The bottom of the design features a kickstand, and the end includes a swivel base, which is really nice for the product's cord. I'm going to start this review with the one thing that I didn't love about this product, because everything else I was crazy about. The kickstand is a little flimsy, and the product is really heavy on the barrels and then again at the cord. The handle itself really doesn't have a lot of weight. What this means is that when you put it down, it has a tendency to either tip forward, as you can kind of see. I'm bumping the cord here and it's picking up the entire product, or if you put a little bit too much pressure on the cord, let's say if you have little kids or a pet that's going to brush up against the cord as it dangles off the countertop, you can pull the whole thing off the countertop. Overall, the product design is really safe, so it's not something I'm super concerned about, but make sure to keep that in mind while you use it. Unlike a curling iron, which is clamped once and then twisted, hair wavers are meant to be pressed down the hair shaft. They deliver a different look, which I really like and which is really trendy right now, and part of that look is a very consistent result. Each wave is going to be the same shape, same size, same curvature as the last. To use a hair waver, start by prepping your hair the same way you would with any other hot tool. Apply a heat protectant, make sure your hair is fully dry, and then section out your hair. I like to section my hair laterally and in tiers, so left and right, and then up and down. As each tier is let down, I part it into smaller sections and style each one individually. Now, I have really thin hair, it's super fine, and it picks up a curl or a curve really nicely. So I work in just 3 tiers, kind of sectioning within them. For thicker hair or coarser hair, you'll need more sections, smaller sections. A good rule of thumb is to style the length of only a 1 or 2 inch section of hair from the scalp at a time. Mine are a little bigger because, again, my hair there's not a lot there. But if you have a really dense, full head of hair, or if you want to achieve really crisp curves or waves, make sure to get in there with those smaller sections. Begin waving your hair at the nape of your neck in the lower sections of your head. Then clamp the waver on the hair, let it sit in place for 3 to 5 seconds, release the clamp, move the iron down so it moves down 2 waves at a time. You're sort of re-clamping that last one as you do each consecutive section. An important thing to remember is that the hair isn't set until it's cool to the touch. So as you move down your hair shaft, remember not to pull on the section that you've already done, because if you straighten it while it's hot, it will actually straighten back out quite a bit. If anything, clamp and then move your clamp down and then sort of scooch it upwards. You can see how I'm kind of using the next set of waves to scrunch the hair that's already hot back up towards the head, and that just helps keep the body. Finish by adding hairspray for hold if desired. Overall, I really enjoyed using this product. I haven't owned a crimping or waving tool in like 2 decades, since probably like 2000, so this was a really fun throwback to try out again. Maybe not 2000, maybe like 2010. Today's hair waver is much more relaxed than those of the 2000s, 2010s, and I really like this updated, loose boho kind of look. It's really natural and effortless. Make sure to check out my full review of the Mermade Pro Waver at the Best Buy blog for some more tips and tricks on how to use this product. Thanks for watching.